Við fríkum úti með Iceland Express og Dominos.
Hei, fríka út, hei!
Já, þó ég sé í spariskóm, þá er ég samt í jólasveinn. Komið sæl og velkomin í fríka úti. Við erum enn staddir hér á Strikinu hjá Sveppi. Og það komið að hrekkja danan aðeins meira, því að ég ætla að leika jólasveinn, fara upp að foreldrum og rukka fyrir það. Ég ætla að reyna að hitta einhverja krakka og ég vil ekki bara segja að ég sé mjög leiðilegu jólasveinn á Strikinu. Er það ekki góð skýring, Sveppi? Mjög góð. Mjög góð. En allavega það kom að ég að hrekkja þessa dani og við skulum bara byrja. Ho, ho, ho! Ho, ho, ho! Hey! Gleðileg jól! Do you speak English? It's my job. You have to pay me for being Santa. Gleðileg jól! Are you gonna pay me?
Hva?
I need... the kid can't hear it. I need 10 krónur for this. Ho, ho, ho!
Nej.
Nej, nej, nej.
Nej.
Ha, gleðileg jól. Okay, vänta. Are you the kid's father?
Yeah.
Okay, I need to charge you 10 kronor.
Why?
For being Santa.
You are a joke.
Joke? Oh,
You're
it's
going
my,
to be married.
It's my job. Oh, crazy! Oh. Vad vill du ha för julen? Jul? This is my job, to be Santa. I need money. Do you have money?
Nej, keine Sozialhilfe.
This is no charity case for me. I need... the kid. Don't you have any money? It's my job.
Ja.
Oh. Money.
Nej.
I need money.
Nej.
Vad gammal är du?
5 år.
5 år! Okay, do you have money to pay me for this?
No, I don't have any cash.
I don't do this for free. I need 20 kronor. Ho! Money. I need... Huh? No. Hey! Pengar! I don't want to ruin the kids' Christmas, but I need money to do what I do.
Then maybe you should ask before you did it.
Tror du på jólasveinin? Já, hvað langar þig í jólagjöf?
Ég lága fram með 9 dúkkur.
Gleðileg jól! Här har du gummibamse! Can you pay for this service?
For what service?
For being Santa Claus. Ho!
I don't have any money. We have to go and get into the bank.
You owe me 50 kronor.
Yeah.
Oh!
No.
Do you have any?
No, I don't have any.
And no money?
No. I have to go to the bank. I don't have any money right now.
Okay, can I come with you to the bank?
No.
No? Oh, yes. If you pay me 30 kronor, I'll be a Santa for your kid. Ho! I'll do it very well, I promise you. Ho! Okay, 20 kronor.
Nope.
No?
Nope.
Do you speak English?
Yeah.
Can I talk to your dad? Yeah, come. Oh, vänta!
No? What's up?
For 10 kronor,
Yeah.
I'll be the best Santa Claus you've ever seen for this kid. Okay? I'll be very good with him. Okay?
No.
Don't you want a good Santa for your kid?
No.
Oh! Have you ever heard of English Santa Claus? He wears spider shoes, so sorry. Vad gammal är du? 6! Hi! Do you speak English?
Yeah.
If you want me to talk a little longer with her, you have to pay me.
Yeah.
Hey! 10 kronor and I'll be the best Santa you've ever seen. Don't buy this! Ask Santa for this in your shoe! Gleðileg jól! Just put your shoe in the window and I will give you! Ho! Jag kommer från Island. Island, julesvin. Icelandic Santa Claus, my man. 50 kronor and I'll be going. No, I talked to the kid, you pay?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's a candid camera. I'm sorry. It's a candid camera. Hey.